Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a short one, but worth watching if you are into Fujifilm simulations. Now I've shared Fujifilm simulations on this channel before. It's actually some of my most popular videos. And what I'm excited to share about today is actually a app that got released from Fuji X Weekly. They have some great resources on film simulations. Now they've got a free film recipes app. It's available right now. It gives you access to over 100 film simulations recipes for your Fujifilm camera. Now this app is currently available from the Mac App Store. It's available for your iPhone, your iPad, iPad Touch. I read that an Android version is on the way, so I'm gonna try this out on my iPad. Film Recipes is a free app, gives you access to over 100 different film simulation recipes. Now the JPEG settings allow you to get various looks straight out of the camera. Many are based on old film stock, such as Kodachrome, there is Portra, Tri-X, Superia, Vista, and a ton more, over 100 altogether. If you have a Fuji X camera, there are film simulation recipes in this app that are compatible with your camera gear, and it's a great resource for Fuji X photographers. You just simply select the recipe you want from the list and then adjust the JPEG settings as required on your camera. Now I have a couple of videos on the channel on how to actually put these simulations on your camera. I will link them up above. The app also includes a number of sample images for each of the film simulations, makes it super easy and handy to see what the film simulation actually will look like when you're out taking your own pictures. Now the app is free to download it for the iPhone and the iPad. It requires iOS 14 or later, so your iPad keep it up to date. There is also the option on this app to become a paid Fuji X Weekly patron. This unlocks different advanced features such as filtering, favoriting, and you also will get early access to some new recipes as they become available on the app. But actually the free version, I took a look and you can actually have access to the majority of the film recipes. All in all, it's a great resource for Fuji photographers, and I will leave a link down in the description below to the App Store so you can download it and get your own copy and give it a try. I would love to know what some of your favorite film simulations are. I do like the Kodachrome one. I share quite a few of those on my Instagram, but let me know in the comments below. If you found this video useful, don't forget, hit the like button and subscribe if you aren't already. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, everybody.